Alright, so I'm here with another layout. My background is Lemonade Basil cardstock. So that multicolored pentagon shape is Hip Kid Club's Awesome Life from the August kit. And that floral layer is Crepe Paper's Marigold Best Day. I just ink the edges, that way it separates the different patterns. And then I'm going to use the stripe layer that you saw on the reverse side of the that blue floral. And I'm just going to rip the edges. Remember, you gotta stir it good. Get it down at the bottom.
Yeah, you know how I was stirring it. I did this so it wouldn't, in case it didn't go over. So,
Yeah, you gotta make sure you get it down good at the bottom.
I did
okay.
that.
Oh, okay. Oh, all right. All right. Alright, so I did use the American Crafts glitter paper from the August kit, I think it was. Alright, so this paper is Maggie Holmes Marigold, and so I am going to use my watercolors and fill them in. There's that one that's done, and I tried to use my pastels, but yeah, it didn't work and I couldn't blend, and so I'm gonna use my watercolors. I'm just gonna use a darker color to go in and do some highlighting.
I'm grouchy, and I got a lot of pent-up anger to vent.
So I'm just gonna cut them out and layer them. And I am gonna stop the video and continue with the rest. And of course Theo has to make his presence known. And where he is, Sabrina can't be too far. Alright, so there's that. See, voila, I'm back. So now it's time to glue them. I was like, how did I have that? And then this I cut off, and then I attach it as a separate piece, the leaves. And then this one I left longer, so that way, or these two flowers were kind of attached, so I thought, hey, I can use that as a border, line the left side of the picture. And then I'm going to use something I've not used in forever, and that is ribbon. And that's going to house my tag. So now I just have to layer my stuff. I'm going to put flowers here too behind that tag. So it's just going to be flowers, flowers, flowers. But it's a prom picture, so of course it has to have that. And Theo again. Oh, jeez, and then he has to lay down. At least this one isn't quite as bad as the other one as far as shadows and not being able to see what I'm doing. So my husband got the Works chainsaw, and that works pretty good. I used it. I'm scared of chainsaws, but I thought, well, let me try, because I don't want to have to wait on him. He takes forever to do anything, and I want it done now. So it works pretty good. Alright, so now I'm going to look at using some of the chipboard stickers. I'm going to use the deer and a few other pieces. Theo, he cannot just stay away. I'm sorry. At least he stayed off to the side. I'm trying to figure out what else I can use. He's got to come check out my stuff. I was like, really? So the die cuts are Paintbrush Studios Days of Splendor ephemera.
I am back.
Oh boy, oh boy. So do. So I'm petting him, trying to give him his attention, and hopefully he'll be like, okay. But of course. So I just have to move my stuff out of the way. Alright, so those butterfly stickers are Jen had filled the Avenue. And I'm going to use Sweet Love and the hearts that are from the American Crafts Lovely stickers. And then, of course, the enamel dots I am using from the Paintbrush Studio Let's Stay Home, which is a pass kit. I know, he is such a pain. See, I'm like, he's got this, I guess that's a cat thing, because I'm trying to figure out where to put my title. So, moving it around like that, he finally gave up and left. Alright, Mr. Squirrel, I need to go up there and get him off. Alright, so that is it, and when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.